Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we are gonna speak about building resort. So let's go with the intro. We are moving from Ponciangani, that in Swahili means white sand, for the beach. This resort is based in Mateme, so few kilometers more in the north way from where we are now. I just said we are because we are actually two in the car, so let me introduce you my friend Francesco.
Hi guys.
So he is my friend and also the owner of the diving center where I'm working in. So this one is the diving center and we are just going to see how the works are going. I'm so sorry if the camera is moving, but we are doing a very terrible road. So as you can see, this road is basically a mess, but fortunately it didn't rain for a few days, so we have no water to cross. So it took like 20 minutes to go for 2 kilometers of road. It was very bad, but we are here now. So guys, his name is Makame, he's from Ponciangani. He's just going to take a coconut for us on the palm tree. So, thank you.
Okay, Kuna Matata.
This is something that actually looks crazy. Look at this swimming pool. We are inside the sample room. It's the room basically they do to just see how it will look at the end. So it's not finished yet, but you can basically understand how it will be done. So you got here the window. That's new windows. You got here a desk. Maybe they'll take here some coffee, some hot tea for the customers. You have here the main bed, so the big one. We will have here a TV, LED light on the side, space for the fridge. And this is basically the room. And after you also got the bathroom. It's pretty nice. This stone they use for the floor is called Galana and it comes from Tanga, that is between Tanzania and Kenya. And they use it for the floor and they also put it inside the swimming pool, as you can see. It comes in very big pieces and after they broke it and they basically do like a puzzle. So they fit all the pieces one on the side of the other one. These huge roofs are made with some part of the coconut trees and that's something very interesting. I'm pretty sure I'll do a complete vlog about it and how they do it. But here, as you can see, they will do a like relax side, so they will have like bed to take the sun. Just look at this view. It's crazy. And let me say, I love these trees and coconuts are so nice. This resort will be called Dream Bay, and it will have 24 rooms. They are still building it. Maybe it will be ready in about 1 month and a half. So basically should be ready for the New Year's, January 2018. Tanzania, of course, Zanzibar has got electricity, but sometimes, I mean, it actually happens few times a week. Sometimes they run out of energy. I don't know exactly why, but they don't have power. So every resort like this one must have a generator, electricity generator, because they will use more than once a week. So every resort here has got a room for the generator. That is something really important. They have to be very big because they have to be able to support all the resort for few or more hours, maybe one day, and so on. I really think now it's time to take our drone and show you these places from the top. So let's take the Mavic. So guys, this is everything for the building vlog. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video and you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next video.